So it's our third example, so you should be getting a bit better at it and being able to follow it. I'm going to stop partway through this and see if you can do some of the steps yourself. So in this case, Sophia borrows $6,000 at a flat rate of 8.25% per annum for 18 months. Now there's a couple of key words in here. Flat rate is just another way of saying simple interest. So as soon as we see that, we know that we can use our simple interest formula, so that's a good clue. And we've got borrows, so we know that she's receiving money from the bank, and eventually she needs to pay that back. Okay, so let's fill in the information that we do have over here. So Sophia borrows $6,000, so that's her principal, her original amount. A flat rate of 8.25% is 0.0825, and for 18 months. Now, I start by writing 18 months here, but then I remember that time has to be in years, so I have to convert that to years. Now I know there's 12 months in 1 year, okay, so that's 1 year and 6 months, and 6 months is half a year, so I can rewrite that as 1.5 years. Sometimes it can be a little trickier, but we'll work on some of those in class. Alright, now what's my two questions? How much interest does she accumulate? Accumulate just means does she gather or earn? Okay, so first of all we're going to look at interest. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Interest equals, substitute, 6,000 times, I'm just going to stop there for a moment. I'd like you to write in the next two bits and solve it, and then pause the video and then come back and double check if you got it right. So when you pop it in your calculator, you'll get this. Now it's really important when we're talking about money that we round correctly. It doesn't make sense to round to 1 decimal place. We have to round to 2 because that gives us dollars and cents. Okay, so we need to make sure we've written $742.50. So the answer is Sophia accumulates $742.50 in interest. And then the second question is, what is the total amount she needs to repay? Okay, so that means she's borrowed $6,000, she earned $742.50 in interest, and now she has to pay both of those parts back. So amount equals the principal plus interest, which equals 6,000 plus $742.50, which is equal to $6,742.50. So Sophia must pay back $6,742.50. Now you should be on your way. If you need to look at any of these examples again, replay them. If not, you can go to the next slide where I think you've got to do some work out of your Maths Quest book. Good luck.